I have been for a long time sad and anxious, but now I am delighted more than bird or fish, since my lady has sent me a messenger to hold me in the manner of a lover, with such sweet savor it comes to me, since she deigns to wish that I return to good hope. For so help me God, I cannot be joyful until I return eagerly to the sweet prison where her beauty placed me, she who is of courteous semblance and of joy with sweetness. Therefore I do not want the riches of land nor of wealth, as much as to do her pleasure. For it is so beautiful and good to me when I gaze at her form and her beautiful loving eyes, that I do not know where I am. She has so bound and taken me, and conquered and won me, that my eyes nor my love can I turn elsewhere. Rather, when I can see her, I entirely delight myself. Lady, by the God of the Trinity, since I give myself thus to you, humble and willing, give me a friendship, choice and mercy, and prayer and good faith. And you will do your honor, for I have great fear that desire will overpower me, with which I cannot hold myself. For I have such a cruel heart toward her, cursed be she. For because of a red-haired count, she has cast me out completely. It seems to me that she is a she-wolf, for she engaged with a count, and leaves an emperor who made known to his praise throughout all the world. But he who lies does not speak truth. Save the honored Marquis and his beautiful sister, for with her loyal love she knew how to conquer me nobly, and even more nobly to keep me. Daughter of a king, it served me well, for I lost false love and gained a better one, who knows how to be worth more, and to do and speak pleasure.